Hello beautiful you family, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I want to welcome you. My name is Shirley, and on this channel we learn how to do makeup looks and also natural hairstyle. So again, for today we are going to be doing a very full makeup look. So first of all, you always want to start off by applying your primer on your face, and I went ahead to do my eyebrows off camera. So now I went ahead to I'm applying some of my concealer on my eyelid so that my eyelid color, I make sure that I correct it, and I will be using this new palette that I got from Beauty Treats, and this is going to be a very simple eyeshadow look. I believe I used 2 eyeshadow colors to be able to achieve that. So all that I did is I got one of my brushes, and you want to use like a round a little bit bigger brush, and go ahead and apply some of that color, that eyeshadow color. I went ahead to apply some on it, and I pack it there, and I use my brush to be going back and forth like I say it. So just keep watching and see how I was able to achieve this very simple and full makeup look. Girl, let me tell you, when I was done with this makeup look, I was like, whoa, it came out so good. So keep watching and make sure that you have all your makeup products available. And if you want to, let's say if you want to use like a different color and you don't want to use the same colors that I did, you can go ahead, just watch the technique that I use for an eyeshadow. If you are using more than like, let's say, one color, you want to make sure that your eyeshadow will be well blended in. That is the secret, I'm telling ya. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I went ahead to pack some of my eyeshadow color there, and you're gonna get to see the final look, sis. So don't go anywhere, and please make sure you subscribe, because guess what, I have more content coming up for you guys, for my natural sisters as well. So make sure that you keep watching. Look at that, I went ahead to use a little bit of my purple color, just to give it a little something like I say it. I hope your day is going so good, and I hope you great things is going to be happening in your life, sis. So keep watching. Again, I went ahead to apply my foundation on my face, and I also went ahead to apply my primer. I am now using my concealer to make sure that my face, like I said, we are doing a very full makeup look. So I went ahead to use my blending sponge to make sure that my concealer, when you are using the concealer, basically you'll be using like your blending sponge or a brush, and you don't want to sweep it off. What you want to do is that you want to press that in. And I am going ahead to use my setting powder on my concealer. So you always, whenever you use a concealer on your face, you always want to use like a setting powder to make sure that you apply it on top so that it doesn't move. And now I am going ahead to contour my face. Yes, you want to contour that face. If you are going for a full makeup look, you want to apply your concealer and also contour your face. And I am trying to also contour my nose, to shape my nose as well. And we want this face to be, when I am done with this video, I will be listing all the products that I use on my face. I will list it below. So if you want to try any of it out, please go ahead and try it out. Whenever you are done with your makeup, you always want to set your face, and I like to use my setting spray on my face, especially if I know I'm going to be wearing that makeup for a long time. I always make sure I set my face. And now I am using my highlighter on my face, because I want, as soon as I walk in there, I definitely want my face to be making a statement, like I always say. So check this face out. This was a very simple full makeup look. I'm telling you, you can also achieve this look. If you, let's say if you want to use like a different color, you can go ahead. Again, I went off camera to apply my eyelashes on my face. I wanted something which has like a little bit dramatic, so I went ahead to apply those lashes, and voila, check this face out. Again, if you are new here, my name is Shirley, and on this channel I teach you how to do very simple makeup look and how to learn how to do your own makeup, and I also teach you how to style your natural hair. So please, what are you waiting for? I know you always come around to peek and to watch. Please